Jill and I have had you all in our prayers, and I mean that sincerely. We're here today because we wanted to tell you in person that we're thinking of you, and we're not leaving. We're not leaving until this gets done. I promise you that. Today, we have one job, and only one job, and that's to make sure the people of Florida get everything that they need to fully, thoroughly recover. I've instructed my administration to bring every element of the federal government together to help with the immediate needs and long-term rebuilding. We're going to help rebuild roads and bridges and public water systems. We have a long road ahead of us, rebuilding entire communities from the ground up. After the television cameras have moved on, we're still going to be here with you. We're still going to be moving. We're still going to be doing everything we can to try to put your lives back together again. The people of Florida, to all of you, we're in this together. This is the United States of America. The United States of America.